Hello everyone, welcome back to Trampoline Workout Dude, and today I have a rebound cardio workout for beginners. It's going to be 9 to 10 minutes with 9 exercises, so stay tuned and let's get it working. So I got my handy dandy interval clock, so we're going to go ahead and begin and let it begin. Alright, so start 5 seconds. First thing we do, we're going to march in place. We're going to slowly do a warm up. Alright, 1 minute. Marching in place, swinging your arms. All right, there you go. We're slowly elevating our heart rate. Make sure you stand in the center with the rebounder or mini trampoline. Pretty cold out here. All right. 1 minute, no rest. There you go. Just marching in place. Just trying to raise our heart rate. Okay, now jog in place. A light jog, light jog. There you go. We're gonna move our arms, very light jog. Okay. Make sure you're inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth, like. All right. This is a great cardiovascular workout. Nice and simple for beginners. And yeah, pretty cold out here right now, but it's okay. Nice, slow. All right. Next one, we're gonna do half jumping jacks. You know, these are full motion, but we're gonna do half motion. There you go. Just up to your shoulder width and down. I call these like half jumping jacks, or half range jumping jacks. There you go. Now we're gonna do walking jumping jacks. So you can go. There you go. Walking jacks. You should feel in your upper body. You can go ahead and do it fast if you want, but it's just for beginners. Next one will be lateral steps, so just go like lateral steps. If you have a stability bar, you can actually hold on to your bar and do it. so. Like I said, I have a stability bar. I haven't brought it out yet. Alright, it's going to be opposite toe toucher, so you can go left leg, right hand, right leg, left hand. So, left hand, right leg. Great for low impact, good for your joints, good for your legs, your knees. All right. My favorite one, you're just gonna do jump rope. You're just gonna jump in place, swing around. Imagine if you're jumping on a jump rope. Skip a rope, some people say. Ten more seconds. All right. This time we're gonna bounce in all the planes. So we move back, forward, left, right, back, forward, left, right. Alright, then we're in the last exercise. Now we're going to run in place. You're going to swing your arms up and down like this. That's how you're running in place. Up, down. This is the last exercise right here. Great job for sticking through it. Make sure you like, subscribe if you like more content like this. Alright, almost done. I'm actually running, so the arms up and down. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Great job. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.